Nitrile gloves are made from synthetic rubber, made up of butadiene and acrylonitrile. The gloves themselves can be disposable, thinner film, or reusable, thicker film. Nitrile is an excellent alternative to natural rubber latex gloves because it doesn't contain the latex proteins that are known allergens. Nitrile also has additional benefits in that it has good chemical resistance and has good dexterity and durability. Nitrile gloves can be used for a multitude of jobs, including healthcare, veterinary care, food handling, beauty, vehicle maintenance and basic general purposes such as DIY, decorating and household tasks. Thicker gloves are suited when working with chemicals. Remember to check chemical guidance information. While thinner gloves are ideal for those who need the flexibility and dexterity when carrying out certain tasks. Nitrile gloves are available in a variety of colours, sizes and specifications, including powdered, powder-free, a variety of thicknesses, longer cuff, low dermatitis potential and specific grade, medical, PPE, household. All of our gloves comply with European standards and have been tested for suitability for food contact. For those users who suffer from latex allergy, nitrile gloves are an ideal choice.